morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about edit interactions in Power BI Desktop. See this here. This is edit interaction option. When you click this edit interaction option, see this here. Now it's showing three options. First one is none, and second one is highlight, and third one is filter. Okay. Let's check this edit interactions in Power BI Desktop. See this here. When I click this passive, see this, it's automatically filtered all charts. So I don't want to apply this filter particular in this chart. So now I am select none. Okay, see this here. Now when I click this chart, see this, it's automatically applied only two charts. Okay, this is none options in edit interactions. Okay, and next one is highlight. Okay, see this here. When I click this highlight and click passive, see this here, automatically highlighted data. Okay, and next one is filter. See this, now I am clicking filter. Okay, see this here. When I click this option, see this is automatically filtered that data. Okay, this is edit interactions in Power BI Desktop. Okay.